One, two, three. So, welcome back to another episode of my life. And today is actually an interesting day because we had like a little excursion or internship in my school. So, this is the place we went to. Just like, something simple. Okay, this was a trade I caught on BTC. We never reached TP, but just enough blues for us to see on our accounts. So the trade reversed to break even, then went all the way to TP. And this right here is another trade that we took that went all the way to TP and made us leave drawdown. So on this particular day, I went to a cyber cafe to download some videos which I'm going to use for my video channel. But I think recap channel now on YouTube is kind of hard to make. But anyway, I was trying to get some clips and I got exhausted. Then I told myself, let's just keep going. Now, don't worry, this guy facing this computer is totally lost. So I switched back to Forex and started back testing how I would have caught a lot of trades and how I would have not caught a lot of trades. But either way, it was a nice day and I spent a lot of data this particular day. Almost 40 something gig, which on a normal case or a normal scenario, I would not do that on my normal carrier network, but it's unlimited, so use it. I tried posing like an idolo, but it didn't work, so I had to just step down. The time is let's try to focus that 12:45 a.m. So happy new month, and we are here trying to make this thing work. I am learning as I go. I've dropped the programming, that thing is not for me, but I'm still doing it in school. But let's try to make this thing work out. We need to make money. Who is this guy? Anyway, that's all. I'm back from work. I could not film there. But anyway, I almost caught. Shush, shy boy, don't talk again. This guy is so shy when he's talking on the road. So, what I was trying to say at this point in time is that we are out of drawdown and we are slightly in profit. So, I'm going to show the account balance right here on the screen. And don't look at this guy's face. He spoke rubbish. He said rubbish. But anyway, it was a good day. I went to work and they paid me so little that I have to make Forex work because normal pay is not worth it. You have to be paid in dollars, if not, it's not worth it. Especially with my country's currency, which is weak. So I don't believe anyone should be dealing with it. So let's make money in dollars or a higher denomination. That's all. Let's leave. Okay, so this is this trade, the one for July 1st and yesterday. So coming to this week, this was BTC that I saw on the higher time frame. That resistance level you are seeing there is the structure that can hold price down because people are changing structure and it was. So I'm sorry at this point, bear with me. I was walking on the road, so I just said let me do this video because I was going to be busy the following day and that particular day. So I don't know, I just said I should do it, so bear with me. Yeah, so when I saw that, I knew it was in for the sell till the low of the support zone, the blue line, the blue rectangle at the bottom. So when I saw that, I entered on the 3 minutes time frame, which was 30 minutes. So I scaled down 10 times and I saw an entry and I took it. It was a sniper entry. So I also saw this, but I was not able to execute on it. And this was a trade my friend caught on me. So seeing that on gold, I was looking to sell, but I also knew that this was against the higher time frame. The higher time frame was a buy, but I also wanted to sell the market. But then when I looked at it, there was no place for me to take profit. There was no liquidity for me to take profit because if I want to take profit, it will have to be at the low, and that low means the trend is changing. So I told myself, I'm not going to do it. I let go of this trade. So the second entry on that BTC trade, but price did not trigger me. This was what I said I would pick, but I did not pick this trade. So after that, I saw the buys after the sells on BTC. So I wanted to execute on it, but price did not trigger. Instead, it just went all the way up, as you can see. So we marked out all the zones from internal to external. Don't mind me, this place is this drawing is kind of wrong. The root structure is not what happened before. It's what is happening at the moment. Now, it is true that this is an external range at the bottom and the top is an internal range because price is also inside there. But what I'm trying to say is that inducement there is an internal, then that's high there is an external range. So moving, we could not execute. Your surprise, take out the inducement on the lower time frame, on the 5-minute time frame, then just kept going. Then on gold, we had buys, but I was asleep. This was around 1:30. What am I doing in the chart 1:30? I'm trying to be free, not working in the midnight. And besides, I wanted to sleep. This was like Monday or Tuesday. I don't really recall the date. But anyway, price triggered the first one, triggered the sponsor block, triggered the entry block. I was still not aware. Then I was looking for the next entry block to be mitigated. This was yesterday. So I went to work because there was an entry I would have executed on. So this was the sponsor, this was the continuation, continuation or entry block. This is continuation and this is entry. The reason why I call this one continuation block is because I can't really say it is going to hold that much. Because I like to do my trade from the lower time frame. So I use this as a point, knowing that price is going to go higher, then come to the lower time frame to look for entries. So I was still waiting, but price eventually created another sponsor block and gave us an entry. Now, this was the sponsor block. I could not execute, as I said. I went to the market. I went to work. So you see this entry block I was waiting for. Price did not mitigate it. Instead, it created another sponsor block, created another entry, and all the way to TP. So the TP we marked, price respected it and went to it before you see this range. Now we are expecting price to come lower, give us another entry, then move higher. So this is the second entry I'm looking at. You see that price went way higher than what I anticipated, way higher. So our directional bias is on point, but our entry, we were only able to execute one trade today, which took us out of loss into break even. And if we were able to execute the second one, we would have been up in a huge amount of profit. Then what next? So this is what I'm currently looking at, and that's all. Let's go to the chart. This is gold on the 1 hour time frame. This is gold. So we are still watching. Also have something on BTC. I'm still watching. I believe this was on the 45 minutes. Yeah, it was on the 45 minutes. So I have to take pictures so that we don't forget it, and set alarm. So this is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. So that not take that high, we are good to go. But if you take that high, I've basically reviewed again my strategy in this video for free. But anyway, it's to help the community and also to help me. It benefits everybody. Now I know my life is a little boring, but just like and subscribe. Let's keep going. We are building together. That'll be all for today. I'll see you on the next one. And that is all.